Welcome to the Late Night Gunpla Show, starring Jim and Harry.
Welcome to the show, everybody. I'm Jim. Harry's behind the camera, and Jiminy's hiding over in the corner. So today's episode, we have a very special gift from our sponsor, Canadian Gundam. They were kind enough to send us another kit. So today is going to be the unboxing of what we got. Harry, what did we get?
I don't know. We didn't open it yet.
All right, we'll get to it.
All right. Let's get it all ready and set up. So here we go. Here's the box we got from Canadian Gundam, unopened. We have no idea what it is, so we're gonna go ahead and get it open off screen.
All right, I guess we'll cut to a commercial. All right, welcome back. You obviously can't see it, but Harry is smiling like a schoolgirl. What's going on?
I just opened up the box. I'm really happy about this one.
Oh, what do we get?
There we go. The RGM 79 HC GM Guard Custom.
We already have a gym.
Yeah, now we got another one. This is gonna be great. Better than the original.
I'm not liking this one bit.
So this is off the Origin MSD line. This is one of their brand new ones. I believe the Guard Custom is actually another custom off the Sniper Custom. So this will have a lot of parts that the Sniper Custom have, but minus that big sniper rifle, it has this huge shield. As you can see on the box art on the side, the shield is massive. It's about the same size look as the gym itself. And we got some more art. Here we go. Oh, it looks like it has like beam daggers. That's new. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna guess it's gonna go inside this little component also. Over here, it looks like the that head visor will swing up and down. Whoa, technical difficulty. All right, hold on. All right, there we go. Yeah, like I said, that shield is really big. That's the waist. It looks like it bends completely forward. That'll be the where the legs pivot back and forth. And it looks like the knee is going to bend all the way back. So this is going to have a lot of posing possibilities. So, upside down. So there it is, the Guard Custom. And I'm really excited for this one.
I'm not.
Yeah, no one cares. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Of course, we got our Canadian Gundam awesome hologram, or I don't know what you want to call it, chrome business card. There you go, there's all the information. Guys, check them out. Alright, so here we got the top runners. Let's see what we got. Alright, so looks like we got, these are going to be the thighs. That's going to be the waist. You know, your typical white. Here we go. We got like a grayish black color. These are going to be the backpack. I believe this will be on the shield handle, thrusters in the chest. These will be the armor, I believe, on the waist. You know, your regular black color. Looks pretty good. Alright, bag number 2. All opened up. We got pilot caps. Alright, we got this awesome blue. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. It's not a regular blue. It's like a royal blue. It's really nice. This is the shield I was talking about. As you can see, this shield is massive. You got the chest here, the back, the feet, the bottom of the feet. These will be the visor, I suppose, that goes around his face. Yeah, I believe that's what it is. Yeah, and this part will be like the front part. But man, this shield's gonna be awesome. This thing is so cool. Comes with a whole set of stickers. Really nice stickers. Probably won't be using them. I usually don't use stickers, but if you have to use stickers, there is a lot of them, and that's really cool. It really makes your kit, you know, stand out, detailed. It's CV69. Yeah, I'm not even gonna make a joke about that one. But those are all the stickers. We got a clear part, the visor. So that's the visor part. And we got 2 more bags. A lot more parts than the regular gym, huh?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, this thing's a lot cooler than you are. So you got the front of the shield right here. You got the head, the front and the back, and you know, more of this regular white. You got the neck guard. These would be the skirts, the front and the back skirts. Comes with more stickers. I believe these would be like the cameras. These maybe on the chest. I'm not too sure what everything goes up. It's upside down. But you know, those are your other stickers they came with. These would be, you got your beam spray pistol, and this thing is massive. So it's the same design. It looks like the exact same design as all the other gym ones, but this thing is huge. I don't know if I don't think so. His hands look the same size. So here's the hands. They're pretty much the same size as a normal mobile suit, but this gun is massive. Let me see, actually, hold on. I think I have Jim's gun around here.
Don't show my gun.
Where's it? Oh. Alright, so I found Jim's gun. So here's Jim's puny gun.
Hey.
And when you put it next to this other gun, you can clearly see that this one is way bigger. As you can see, way bigger. So this gun is pretty big, along with that shield. So you got a big gun and a big shield. Alright, we got another bag. These will be the beam daggers. So these are the effect parts for the beam daggers. I don't believe anything else has beam daggers. I could be wrong, but I don't believe I've seen these before. They look really cool. Here's more, I guess another extra runner for thighs. And these look like to be elbow knees guard covers. This is probably that piece that's going to go on the forearm, I think. It's more of that regular blackish grayish color. Alright, one more runner. Oh, 2 more runners. Alright, looks like we got legs. These are nicely detailed. I like these panel lines inside the thigh or calf or whatever it is. Don't really know what this is going to be. This is probably the front. This is probably the shin. The shin, yeah, there's the shin of the leg. Again, this has nice panel lines, detail parts. You know, so it's not your regular gym where it's just, you know, flat, you know, white, I guess, flat white pieces of armor. This is definitely a lot more detailed. Here you go, it's more of the other leg. You know, same thing, the shin. Like I said, these are, you know, this new Origin line is really fantastic, you know, with all the details they put in. And as we come, here's the instructions. RGM79, Gym Guard Custom. Here's all the, I guess, the sticker placements and stuff like that. And you got all these sticker placements. It is a lot of stickers. So if you don't paint and you don't use decals, don't worry, because this is still going to look pretty cool with all these stickers on it. Here's all, you know, your parts you're going to use, you're not going to use. Standard instructions. Anything out of the norm? It looks like we got, like, you know, I haven't really built one of these Origin gyms yet, but it looks like we got like some sort of inner frame inside the leg itself. So that's really cool. So you got like an inner frame and you snap it all on. It's a little bit different from the old style gyms. What else we got? Yeah, here's it, the inner frame colored. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so I can't wait to build this one. You know, this is gonna be another custom, so you know it's not going to be the same blue and white. I will build it, I'll snap it together, and I will do a review on it to show you the articulation and how everything works and what's new and you know what's made better, like this huge gun and this huge shield. But that about wraps it up. So I'll try to snap this one together, get another show and episode on the road, and I guess that's it. So guys, check out Canadian Gundam. They should have a sale going on for all you guys in the Gunpla network. If it's on there, I'm sure Danik will put that in the, you know, maybe up here or down here, something like that. I don't know. But that's it. So stay tuned for the next show, guys. And until then, happy building. See you later.